Hey, I hope you're having an awesome day. To draw Dogman, you just need some paper, some marker or something to draw with, and something to colour in with. Alrighty, let's get started. So, we're going to start drawing his face. So, it's actually made up of two semicircles, if you look at it. So, we're going to do one semicircle from the top. So, we'll start on this side here. And let's go around and stop about there. So that's the top of his head. And we're going to draw another semicircle on the bottom, starting from this side here. But it's going to be a little bit wider. We're going to finish, if I put a dot there, I'm going to finish there. So it's actually a little bit wider than the top part. So they don't actually align up. Alright, so we'll just do that. Very good. And then all we need to do is close off that gap, so just draw a straight line. And that's pretty much the shape of his head. Alright, so we're going to draw some details on there. So we've got a little typical sort of dog nose, so we draw a bit of a round circle there. And we can colour that in and we'll just leave a little bit of the top white there, so it's kind of a bit of a reflection there. Alright, so let's draw his eyes. So his eyes are in the top half there. And it's very interesting eyes. It's just essentially two lines like that. If you look at it a little closer, the top is a little bit thicker down the bottom there. But that's pretty much it. And you've got a really big smile, so the curve starts here and it goes along his mouth there, so it's pretty much like this. It kind of follows the shape along the bottom there. Great. And let's draw three dots there for his, I guess his whiskers. And along the bottom here, there's normally 5 lines here, and these are, I guess, part of his fur, because he's a dog. Great, alright, and that's on the side here. Let's draw some ears. So he's got 2 ears sticking out the side. It's just pretty much a oval shape there, like that, and we do another one below there as well. Cool, that is looking good. Now he's wearing his little uniform, so he's wearing a hat. It's pretty much a rectangle shape, and the top there is a little bit curved. So we'll draw the top curve there, and then we'll draw a line going down the side there, and we'll draw another line here. It nearly joins the head there. There's a little bit of a gap there, and then it's kind of got a black visor sticking outside, so there's an oval shape there like that, and then we can colour that in. The normal colour, half of it black, and just leave the top half white. So again, it looks like it's a bit of a reflection there. And now he's got a badge on his hat as well. It kind of looks like a broken egg, or kind of almost like a Pac-Man with 2 mouth shapes.
Fire.
Oh yeah, or fire. Yep. So let's draw a bit of a semicircle like that. Cool. And then basically from the edge, we're going to draw a line going down, and then up, and then down, and then up again, just like that. So I think it does look like a half a broken eggshell. But anyway, there we go. So that's Dogman's head. Now let's draw the rest of his body, and arms and legs. So let's draw his body. It's just basically a rectangle. So we start from the side here, do a line about here, and then we do another line there. You can make it slightly curved, and then another line joining up to his body. Now we'll draw him with his hands on his hips. So basically we'll draw almost a triangle shape, but it's kind of left open. And we'll draw another line here, and we'll draw his hand here a little bit later. Yeah, and then we'll do another small line here, and then we'll draw a line up there like that. So that's the sleeve. And then we'll draw his hands, or his paw, I guess, because he's a dog. And it's a very simple shape. He's pretty much got 3 fingers and paws. Just like that. Yeah. And it's pretty much doing the same on the other side there as well. So draw a line there and down there, almost making a triangle, but keep it open. A small line going up, so that's the end of his sleeve. We'll draw his hand later. And then draw another small line, and then another line from here, joining the body. And let's draw his paw again 3 fingers or toes, or whatever you want to call them. Yeah. And again, we'll draw the badge exactly the same on his body, on his uniform there. And this one is a lot larger, so you can take up the whole space. Like that. Cool. Alrighty, let's draw his legs and his feet. So we'll draw his feet first, so we'll draw that along the bottom. It's almost like an almond shape, but at the end of the foot is a little bit wider than the heel. So let's start drawing that. So we'll go curve around there as well. Go, and you can make the bottom there a little bit flatter than the top, so because he's standing down on it. And to draw its legs, we just draw 2 lines there. And then we do the same facing the opposite direction there on the other side. Cool, and there we go. There we've done the line art for Dogman, and the next part is to colour in. Alrighty, we've finished colouring in, and Dogman's an easy character to colour in. Basically just needs some blue, a bit of yellow, kind of a light brown, and then a bit of a darker brown for his shoes. And there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing Dogman. I know we did. It's a super cool character and easy to draw. Check out our channel for other drawing videos, and if you like and subscribe, that will be awesome. Thank you again. See you next time. Bye.